Hi, today we're going to do Kapalbhati. It's called the forehead shining. It helps cure lifestyle diseases and also bring the thyroid functions in control. So it's really good for our energy functions, right? Let's get started. You can sit in any relaxed position. It's a breathing exercise, right? Hold your hand like this. Just relax, relaxed body. Okay, don't have to strain or stress out. Right? One breathe in, multiple breathe outs. Don't do it if you're pregnant, right? Also, when you breathe out, flap your stomach in, right? And make the sound. One breathe in, multiple breathe out. When you breathe in, stomach is out. When you breathe out, stomach is in. And flap your stomach, right? Let's do it with me. Try to do it minimum 1 minute, go up to 3 or 5 minutes, right? That's it. Thank you. Bye.